My name is Gabby Wood, and I'm with my partner Destiny Carnegie. This biome is the tropical desert, and we did the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is located in the northern part of Africa at 23.4162 north and 29.6628 east. The plant type is the Ephrata alata. The picture on the far right shows the highest elevation in the Sahara Desert. Some plants in the Sahara Desert are the olive tree, the panaceum, the weltschia, the African peyote cactus, the date palm, and the oleander. Some animals in the Sahara Desert are the Dorcas gazelle, the Dama deer, the Anubis baboon, the spotted hyena, the sand fox, and the Cape hare. One endangered species in the Sahara Desert is the Egyptian tortoise. It is endangered due to habitat loss and pet trade. Another endangered species is the leopard orchid. The leopard orchid is endangered due to habitat loss and competition with surrounding fungi. Another endangered species is the Dama gazelle. The Dama gazelle is overharvested by humans and affected greatly by climate change, which causes their food shortage. Here is an example of a food chain in the Sahara Desert. It goes from the date palm to the kangaroo rat to the scorpion, then to the desert eagle owl, and finally the bacteria. Predation is a relationship shown in this food chain, as the scorpion eats the kangaroo rat. Here is a food web in the Sahara Desert. Herbivore relationships are shown here, as the beetle, gerbia, and camel consume the desert grass. A relationship that is parasitism is also shown here, between a tick and a jackal. The Sahelo-Saharan antelope is a keystone species in the Sahara Desert. This is because it keeps the population of spotted hyena and populations of primary consumers in check. Ecosystem services in the Sahara Desert include natural resources and habitats for organisms. The Sahara Desert is full of resources below the surfaces. Various organisms rely on the Sahara Desert for the habitat. Some economic benefits of the Sahara Desert are resources for trade and solar energy. Man has negatively impacted the Sahara Desert by building infrastructure and polluting the environment. Here's some vocabulary. The Sahara Desert shows mutualism, as a Nile crocodile opens its mouth for the Egyptian plover to clean its teeth, and the Egyptian plover gets food to eat. The cactus wren and the Chiola cactus shows a communalism relationship, as the cactus wren nests in the Chiola cactus. The Chiola cactus is not affected. The fennel fox is an example of a niche generalist. The African silverbill is an example of a niche specialist. A tick would be an example of an R strategist in the Sahara Desert. The spotted hyena would be an example of a K strategist. For our biome interactions, a sandstorm in the Sahara Desert shows one interaction with the atmosphere, as it causes erosion. A sandstorm does not really affect the hydrosphere as much because there is not as much water above ground. The sandstorm interacts with the geosphere as the sand is transported to different parts of Africa. A sandstorm causes many species to die in interaction with the biosphere. For our biogeochemical cycle, the nitrogen cycle helps many species in the Sahara Desert, especially plants.